Is your USB flash drive causing you problems? Do you want to restore it to factory settings? Try this solution, it might help you. Leave a comment below, let us know if it helped you or not. Okay, here we go. Okay, so first head to your Windows search bar and type cmd. Okay, so we're gonna use this in the we're gonna run it as an administrator, so it's gonna be in an elevated mode. All right. Okay, the next thing you wanna do, you wanna type Diskpart and press enter. Okay, then you're gonna type list disk and then press enter again. Okay, then it gives you all the disks which you have on your machine. So you have to be careful here. So you have to select the one which you want to format in case you've got more than 2 or 3 disks you're using on your machine. Okay, so in this case I wanna format my USB flash drive, so it's that little one with 14 gig. Okay, just selecting that, you type select disk, then the number, which is in this case 1, then press enter. Okay, next you type clean, press enter. Then after that you create Partition Primary. That's what you type, create Partition Primary, then press enter. Okay, so here now is where you format it now. So you can format it either as FAT32, you can even use NTFS or exFAT, doesn't matter, but you just have to type it as what's written here. Okay, right. Okay, then it's all right. After that you type active. All right, then that's it. Then next just exit. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you solve your problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know if it helped you or not. Okay, thanks a lot, man. Oh, and ladies, cheers, bye.